Hi, this is Chris from Spreadsheet.com with a quick video showing you how to make drop-down lists in Excel. First thing you'll need to do is select the cell range that you want to add a list to. You go to Data tab, Data Validation. And the pop-up window will come up. Change Allow List, and then you can manually type list with a comma in between each option. See that comes up. To get rid of it, just follow the same steps again. Data validation, and click clear all. Now you can also pick the list from an existing range. So just click list again. In this little source box, click the arrow. And then you can just highlight cell range, click the arrow again, and OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching.